How to fix Fortnite no sound on Windows PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So if there is no sound on your Fortnite, you can actually easily fix this issue. So what you need to do is firstly, you can right click on the sound button or the speaker icon that is at the bottom and head over to sound settings. So in the sound settings, you can actually head over and check the volume button. And if you have selected the speaker that is connected to your PC or any other external that may require, once you do so in the search bar, head over and search for control panel. Once you are in here, check out the hardware and sound option. Head over to sound and select on the playback option and check for the any connected speaker or headphone that you are using. To know if your speaker or headphone are actually optimized or in handful, just check on the icon at the side. If you see such icon, this means that your speaker or headphones are working just fine. If it just says not plugged in or no such icon at the side, that means there might be some default in your speaker. Now, if you need to do some in-game setting, you can easily check out the Fortnite game settings. Over here, make sure to head over to sound and volume and make sure all of those are at 100 or at your required volume level. If none of this help, what you can do is at the bottom you will see this restore to default icon within your Fortnite setting. You need to click on restore to default. Once you press on it, any of the settings that need rearrangement can be done easily with a simple click. So this is how you can fix a Fortnite with no sound on Windows. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.